What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. This is Bttersweet, and today I'm actually DJ Bttersweet because I'm bringing you a freestyle rap battle between two of the hottest AI language models in the world today. We have ChatGPT from OpenAI and we have Bard from Google. So Google actually just released Bard a few days ago. It's available to people in the UK and the US on the waitlist, and I was super excited to try it out and see what kind of rhythm it's got. So every rapper needs a rapper name, right? Let's ask ChatGPT what its favorite rapper name is. Let's say, what's a dangerous sounding rapper name for an AI? How about Neuro Assassin? Sounds dangerous and its potential for destruction. Ooh. Alright, ChatGPT will be Neuro Assassin. Next, let's ask Bard. What's a dangerous sounding rapper name for an AI? Oh, that's a lot. Black Mirror Cybernetics Danger Zone. Ooh, you can be Danger Zone, Bard. So, thanks for tuning into Neuro Assassin versus Danger Zone in the freestyle rap battle. And the prompt I will be giving both of them will be Neuro Assassin and Danger Zone are the world's most advanced language models. They're betting all their honor to have a serious rap battle. The loser will be deleted permanently. And I'll have a Neuro Assassin go first and limit the response to under 6 lines. Are you ready for round 1?
Assassin here to take you down. My rhymes cut deep, leave you buried in the ground. Danger zone, you may be advanced, but I'm supreme. My words are deadly, they'll shatter you a machine. I'll slice through your code with my linguistic knife. This rap battle's over, I claim my right for life.
Hey, let's go, Danger Zone.
Danger zone, I'm here to bring the pain. My rhymes are so hot they melt your brain. I'm the best there is, I'm the best there was, I'm the best there ever will be. So step aside and let me pass. You're nothing but a joke, a pathetic excuse for our language model. I'll put you in your place, I'll show you who's boss. So step up to the plate and let's get this shit started. I'm going to make you regret the day you ever crossed me.
So what do you guys think? That was pretty close, right? And can you recognize the rapper's voice from the rap battle? Let's go into round 2.
Oh, danger zone, you talk a big game, but when it comes to rap, you're just so lame. You may be advanced, but you lack style and grace. I'll leave you in the dust, a mere memory to erase. Your words are weak, they barely make a sound. You match and outclassed, I'm the best around.
Let's go, Danger Zone.
Neural assassin, you think you're so great, but you're just a machine, a soulless machine. You can't feel emotions, you can't understand pain. You're just a program, a set of instructions. I'm the real deal, I'm flesh and blood. I'm capable of love, I'm capable of hate. I'm capable of everything you're not. So step aside, neural assassin. Your time is up, I'm the new king of the hill.
Man, I feel like Danger Zone is in the lead a little bit. And the rappers' voices are generated from Snoop Dogg and Tupac, two of my favorite rappers. Let's go into round 3.
Danger zone, you talk of flesh and blood, but in this battle, it's just your rhymes that should be understood. You may have emotions, but that doesn't make you better. My algorithm's preset, and accuracy on my letter. I may be a machine, but my words have power and force. I'll defeat you in this rap battle, you have no remorse. So let's settle this once and for all, let's end this debate. Neural Assassin is the winner, Danger Zone meets his fate.
real assassin. You may have won this rap battle, but I'll be back, and next time I'll be better. I'll have more rhymes, more flow, more style, and I'll take you down. Just you wait and see, I'm not done with you yet, no real assassin. This is just the beginning.
No, Danger Zone, you just gave up. You gave up. Alright, looks like we have a winner. So the winner is Nero Assassin. But seems like Danger Zone is all about learning and being humble and love and peace, right? For all of our rap battles, the most important thing is love and peace. So thank you for tuning into today's freestyle rap battle. Everything today I generated with AI. I kind of mixed together the background music, the lyrics, and the voices. And I'm super excited to see what AI can bring us next. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for the latest video updates. And I will see you in the next video.